If you watched reality TV in the 2010s, then you know exactly what happened when Snooki was running around yelling, "Where's the beach? Where's the beach?" While she was on the boardwalk facing the beach and got arrested on that episode. The best, one of my favorite episodes and one of my favorite shows. And while the world was following the chaos and loving it, obviously, Hot Mess Express, the best, fashion lovers were just wondering what bag was she wearing, because she carried that thing everywhere, including when she got arrested. Just couldn't get enough of the bag that she was carrying around with her, whether it was drunk on the boardwalk, whether it was drunk walking through the streets in Italy, whether it was on the sand at the beach. It didn't matter. She had that Gucci bag with her no matter what she was doing. She was wearing one of the, or if not the, most iconic, chaotic pop culture relics of the 2000s. And some would say of all time. I would say of all time. A little confession from me. I watch Jersey Shore, the old episodes, every single night before bed. And I have for at least 10 years or more, probably since the original seasons aired. And I pretty much can repeat every single episode by memory. I am 4'10 3/4. I'll say 4'11. I belonged on that show. I could have been the third meatball. And they just feel like family to me at this point. It's just a nostalgic, comforting thing for me and helps me go to bed. Admittedly, I have not been watching the Family Vacation. Maybe I will get into it eventually. But for me, nothing compares to the OG seasons. I can relate on so many levels, being from Long Island, New York, and just partying the way they did. After years of watching the show and wondering what bag was on her shoulder, I knew it was a Gucci bag, but I did not know which bag. But after years of admiring it and just for nostalgia's sake, I tracked one down. And if you're interested, there's tons on the pre-love market and you can get them between like $400 to $600, probably varies. I tracked one down for a pretty decent price on the Luxury Closet. So before I show you the bag, you'll have to stay tuned for that. Let me know, do you also like Jersey Shore? And did you always admire the Gucci Sukey bag that Snooki would wear? And the other bags in the show. There was tons of Coach bags and so many other great ones. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Before we get into the bag, let's talk about the conspiracy theories behind the bag. There is a conspiracy theory in the fashion world that Louis Vuitton's PR team actually sent Snooki that Gucci bag for free. Now, the rumor claims LV did not want her carrying their bags on television, so they tried to trash their competitor by sending her a Gucci bag instead and associating her with that, that bag, Gucci, with her crazy antics on the boardwalk. Now, Snooki has since denied this and proudly stated that she bought it herself with her hard-earned money from her first few paychecks and that never happened. None of them were sent free bags from like LV, Gucci, etc. But the drama alone makes this bag even that more legendary. So without further ado, I present to you the Snooki, we'll call it the Snooki Sukey bag. Instead of or maybe we'll just call it the Snooki bag instead of the Sukey bag. So this is the Gucci Sukey or the Snooki. And I got it with the blue leather. Hers was like the classic brown. Let me bring it a little bit closer. One of the coolest features about this bag is this giant charm that comes with it and this big hook for bag charms. So if you like bag charms, this is a really fun one because it literally, you can fit a ton on here. Another thing that smells pretty good. Another thing about this bag is it is pleated, which is very 2000s, and it's definitely a hand carry bag. So that to me is a con for sure. But back then we would carry our bags. Like a lot of them were hand carry, or you just kind of put it in the crook of your arm, which is cute. But for me right now at this stage of my life, I kind of prefer a shoulder bag or a crossbody. That would be my second option. And then handheld, especially for like a big heavy bag, probably not. But again, I just wanted this for nostalgia's sake anyway. So yeah, this is the Sukey, however you say it. It's got a magnetic closure here. Right now it's stuffed, so I'll take the stuffing out. Okay, so the stuffing is now out. And you can see inside, it's a big, pretty big, decent sized bag. Oh, I forgot to say that this is the medium size. And it's actually smaller than it looks on her. I guess she was really tiny. Either that or maybe she had the large size, but I got the medium. It's still decent size. And I'll show it to you on in just a second. But yeah, so it's pleated on the front and the back. And it's got leather trim. Like I said, it has this awesome big circle loop metal ring. And it comes with the built-in kind of bag tag, which I like. And you can hang more charms on here if you'd like. And then it has the snap closure, which is really nice. And it is magnetic. I don't know if you could see that, but is it magnetic? Yes, it is magnetic. Yep, magnetic, which is nice. And then inside has a pocket, a zip pocket. Okay, and it's a pretty big pocket, let's see. So it's a pretty big pocket. Actually, if you can tell, I have a TV remote. Let's see if that fits in the pocket. Oh yeah, it fits the whole TV remote. And I have a second TV remote. Let's see if it fits. Yep, 2 TV remotes fit, and probably I could fit 2 more. I do have some stuff that we can put in it, and then I'll try it on for you. All right, so you can see it's a little dirty inside. It's probably what Snooki's bag looked like, you know? Somebody loves this bag. So let's see what fits in here. I'm going to put some stuff in here. So I'm going to put these Gucci sunglasses. Let's put my little Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This little clam purse. Let's put my little multicolor Louis Vuitton agenda. My glasses. And then we got still plenty of room, if you could tell. So let's see, is there anything else I can put in here? Some lip gloss. Put that in the pocket. And we have a little key pouch. Let's drop that in there. I think that's good enough. Getting a little heavy now, but still plenty of room, if you could see. Oh, by the way, it's open on the top. It just has that button closure. So it's an open kind of tote carry. It is. So it's a little snug. It works, but not really. You could wear it like that. She did. I decided to give you a quick peek of the Gucci Giglio. So here is the Gucci Giglio. And then here is the Gucci Sukey. Just so you can see them side by side. You can see them up close too. The canvas. I mean, this one's pleated, so I'm trying to give you a good look at the actual canvas. Pretty much identical. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I would say this one's a little darker, but that could just be dirt because it's dirty and old, obviously. But as far as feeling, okay, this one's definitely stiffer. But again, that could be due to age. So I would say the Giglio is definitely stiffer. But size comparison, you can definitely see the Sukey. It's a medium, and it's definitely a lot smaller, but not too much smaller, actually. Don't ask me which one I prefer more. I think you know it'll be this one. This is my ultimate. I love this bag. But this one, again, for nostalgia's sake, I absolutely love it. And I will definitely treasure it. So let me know in the comments down below, are you a Jersey Shore fan? Do you remember the bag from the show? I'm sure you do. If you're a bag lover and you're a Jersey Shore fan. Also, even though Snooki denied the rumors, do you still believe that it's true? Let me know down below. I figured I would give you a side-by-side comparison of them on my shoulder too. So let me put them on. This is the Giglio. Go check out my Giglio review on my channel. It's definitely helpful if you're looking for information on the bag, if you're interested in it. The red and green webbing face down, and then once you put it on your shoulder, it will stay. If you keep it with the webbing up, it does that. And that will drive me crazy. So that's a hack for you, and it's a hot tip, and I highly recommend this bag, but you have to know how to wear it. So there is the Giglio, and then here is the Sukey. So yes, you can wear it on your shoulder, but it is a tight drop. It's really not meant for your shoulder. back in the 2000s, we wore armpit bags like this. So, you know, I would do it if I had to, but it's not the worst, but it's definitely not the best strap. It's really more of a hand carry. You could definitely pick these up on the pre-loved market for a good price. Like I said, I scored mine, I believe it was like $4.50 or somewhere around there. So if you're just a pop culture fan like me, a Jersey Shore fan, a Snooki fan, definitely go check out the pre-loved market. Do I think it's worth it? I do, again, for nostalgia's sake. Will I wear this bag? Maybe, but mostly I got it because I'm, you know, obviously a huge fan. So yeah, that is my little review or, you know, unbagging and my little Jersey Shore story. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you liked it, and follow me on this journey. This is a new journey for me. I'm having a good time. I post a lot of pet shorts and a lot of like luxury bag content. I did a favorites video, which was my last video, which is like all the things I'm loving right now. So go check that one out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, Jim Tan Gucci. Bye. See you in the next one.